What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel where we're all about making success a decision. You know, money makes the world go round, but it can also make your head spin if we don't have a financial foundation for financial literacy. Let's demystify the financial concepts and explore practical strategies to manage your money effectively. Get ready to level up your financial game, all right? So let's get into it. Budgeting is like creating a roadmap for your money. It's essential to know where your hard-earned dollars are going and make sure that they align with your financial goals. By developing a simple budgeting system and tracking your income and expenses, you can take control of your financial situation, avoid debt traps, and make informed spending decisions. For example, let's use my cousin Tasha. I already asked her, and she's cool with being my muse for this one. She wanted to save money for a dream vacation, but she often found herself struggling to make ends meet and was unsure where her money was going. She felt like her paycheck was mostly spent before she even got it, and from whatever she had left over, she couldn't keep track of how it was spent, leaving her in this cycle of going paycheck to paycheck with no savings and nothing to show from what she spent. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now if you feel like this is you. I need to know if this is you because one, to really amp up my content and help you the best way I know how, and two, to not use Tasha's testimony in vain. So if this is you, pause this video and subscribe right now. Alright, so Tasha is an everyday person just like you. She wanted to make her dream vacation a reality. And let me show you how developing a simple budgeting system helped her take control of her finances. We started by tracking her income, which includes her monthly salary and any additional sources of income, such as freelance work or her side hustle. Then we tracked her expenses by looking over her bank statements, credit card bills, and receipts to identify spending habits. We categorized her expenses into different groups such as rent, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and miscellaneous expenses. By analyzing her spending habits, Tasha saw that she spends a significant portion of her income dining out and on impulse purchases. This is very common for most, so don't feel too terrible. As long as you recognize the problem, we can get to a solution. So follow me. Armed with this knowledge, Tasha set a realistic budget for each expense category, including a designated amount for savings toward her dream vacation. She decided to reduce her dining out expenses by cooking more meals at home and being mindful of her impulse purchases, eventually not making impulse purchases at all. She also explored ways to save money, such as cutting back on a few self-care maintenance bills just temporarily. We all know how some ladies feel about their self-care. By using coupons for groceries or household essentials and applying gas purchases to her credit card instead of paying cash up front, she accumulates credit card cashback points and grocery saving points because she shops and gasses up at Kroger. Over time, Tasha started to see a positive change in her financial situation. She's able to consistently save money for her dream vacation while still covering her essential expenses. By developing a simple budgeting system and tracking her income and expenses, Tasha has taken control of her financial situation. She's avoided debt traps and made informed spending decisions that align with her goal of saving for her dream vacation. Remember, financial freedom belongs with the understanding where your money is going. By developing a budgeting system that works for you and tracking your income and expenses, you can make informed financial choices and achieve your end goal. Let's explore some examples that demonstrate the power of saving and investing for the everyday average person. Whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a dream vacation, or investing for retirement, making saving and investing a priority will empower you to achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time. Let's see how the power of saving and investing can help enhance your financial situation. Start by setting financial goals, saving for emergencies, pay off debt, and eventually build wealth for retirement. Allocate a portion of your income into a separate savings account. This fund acts as a safety net for unexpected expenses like car issues, a sudden illness, or even small mishaps like a speeding ticket. Once your emergency fund is in place, you can now focus on paying off high interest debt, create a debt repayment plan, and allocating extra funds toward paying down outstanding balances. After you pay off your debts, start diverting a portion of your income towards a long term saving and investment plan. Educate yourself about the different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. If you decide to start investing in a diversified portfolio of low cost index funds, set up automatic payments, allowing you to consistently invest a portion of your income. Over time, you'll start to see the power of compounding growth. Your investments will generate returns, and you'll reinvest those returns to further accelerate your wealth building journey. As the years go by, your investments will continue to grow thanks to the power of compounding. Along the way, regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your own risk tolerance and financial goals. As a result of this disciplined savings and investment approach, you'll be on track to achieve your financial opportunities. You'll be able to build a significant nest egg for retirement and have the financial freedom to pursue other milestones and passions. The power of saving and investing lies in the compounding growth over time. By consistently saving a portion of your income and investing it wisely, you can build wealth and secure your financial future. Please note, this strategy demonstrates the importance of saving and investing for the average person. However, it is essential to consult with a financial advisor or do thorough research before making financial investment decisions, as individual circumstances may vary. Let's talk about managing debt wisely. Debt can be a double-edged sword. If used wisely, it can help achieve important goals, but if mishandled, it can become a financial burden that holds you back. By understanding the different types of debt, creating a repayment plan, and avoiding unnecessary debt, you can stay in control and prevent debt from hindering your financial progress. Let's start by gathering all your credit card statements and listing the balances, interest rates, and minimum payment requirements. Create a debt repayment plan by prioritizing your debts. Identify the credit card with the highest interest rate and tackle it first while
Hmm.
making minimum payments on the other cards. Also, explore ways to free up extra money to put towards a debt repayment. Cut back on unnecessary spending. Cancel subscriptions, like that gym membership you're not using. And find creative ways to save money by being intentional about your shopping habits. Being intentional about shopping looks like searching for coupons for your next grocery run, making a list while shopping and sticking to it. Basically, avoid being an impulsive spender. Implement a debt snowball or debt avalanche method. With the debt snowball method, you'll pay off the smallest balance first, gaining momentum and motivation. With the debt avalanche method, you'll tackle the debt with the highest interest rate, saving more on interest payments over time. You have to seek the opportunities to increase your income. Get a side gig or start freelancing. The additional income will help make your debt payments and accelerate your debt repayment journey. As you continue to make consistent payments and eliminate high interest debt, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Now, you can reallocate the money you were paying towards the first debt to tackle the next debt on your list. Along the way, take steps to avoid accumulating more debt. Again, create a budget, practice mindful spending, and build an emergency fund to avoid relying on credit cards for unexpected expenses. Over time, you'll successfully manage your debt, paying off each credit card one by one. You will feel a sense of relief and gain control over your financial situation. Remember, managing debt wisely is a crucial step towards financial freedom. By creating a debt repayment plan, exploring ways to save money, and making consistent payments, you can take control of your debt and improve your financial well being. After all, the goal is to protect your financial future. Life is unpredictable, and that's why it's crucial to protect yourself and your loved ones from financial risks. Having the right insurance coverage ensures that unexpected events don't derail your financial stability and allows you to face challenges with confidence. For example, we've seen time and time again many folks seem to be doing well until that emergency or even a sudden death occurs. We witness the GoFundMe accounts being set up and become confused because the happily married father of three with the house, the custom cars, and many vacations posted is now in need of $10,000 for his wife's sudden medical emergency. This can totally be avoided with good insurance coverage and policies in place to assist with these major unexpected life events. And to be frank with you, the time is now to start paying on this coverage, as the younger you are, the cheaper your payments will be, all with the same end coverage. It's a win-win. And there it is, folks. The importance of understanding financial concepts and managing money effectively. By understanding budgeting basics, the power of saving and investing, managing debt, and protecting your financial future, we can become conscious creators of our financial destiny. I'll be diving deeper into this topic in future videos. There's so much more to share, but thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're here to unlock your mind, embrace abundance, master your money, and elevate your life, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, peace.